afternoon, evening. I guess it's, yeah, well, it's late afternoon, evening on December 23rd. And we are going to be working down in the storage room. So this is a flange, and what we're going to use, it's for 1/2-inch pipe, but we got one to go there and over there and here. Anyway, that's going to create a piping network, and hopefully we'll be able to make some shelves, so we'll get some storage above both of these tanks. And then I already got one of these converted, but I think we're going to get a second one, and I don't know if you can see it, do conversion, and then we'll also put some sort of shelving arrangement up there. And then we got more shelving. It's going to go against that wall over there, hopefully. And oh, excuse the mess, it's just a disaster in here. Maybe I'll clean it up a little bit so we can do this work before we start the other, or I'll wait and do it tomorrow. Later. Oh, the whole reason for doing this is we have this gigantic storeroom. Oh, I think we should just leave it as a big storeroom, make life much easier. Anyway, this big storeroom, all of this yeah, right, has to go down there into that storeroom and the equipment room. Yeah. Where's Hogwarts magic when you need it? I need that bag that Hermione had, and you can just stuff it all into the bag and it won't take up any more room. There's probably even stuff in here that has to go that way, and a lot of the stuff's going to get stored in these watertight containers. Got to go through all this stuff because there's a lot of things that we don't need. So yeah, if you need boat parts or boat supplies for doing refits, may have some available here shortly. And that's some of my fun for the day. Later. Okay, well, it is December 14th. Don't have my wife with me. She is off doing her yacht club duties as a secretary. Gonna work in here, try to get some stuff put away, cleaned up. Later. That's it for here. Having lasagna at the club tonight. Jeannie's already left to do that. I will join her later. Oh, good evening. We are up here to continue work on the shelving, so I can get in here without killing myself. So we're gonna go ahead and put for some reason I forgot to drill these holes out the other day. So we're slowly making some more design changes to how we're going to do this. I think I'm going to go putting some 2x4s across that. Okay, so now what we want to do is get some number 10 wood screws. Gotta get the headphones on. I'll put the 2x4 up and you'll drill into it. Drill one hole here and one over there, and then then I can let it go and you can do the other 6. Good morning. It is December 16th. I think it's the 16th. Oh, your sister's birthday. Happy birthday, Donna. Anyway, we are in the media room, but actually most of the work is we're going to be putting in these 2 support pieces, and we got all of our holes drilled out and painted. Zoom in on a little bit there. But anyway, that is going to be bolted to this, or that's going to be bolted, and then we're going to screw in our self-supports into the bottom, underneath.
In the storage room.
Storage room, yeah. Why aren't you doing this? But, and it's finally chilly here in Central Florida. It's 59 degrees. Woohoo! Look, yeah, I even got a sweatshirt on. Probably won't stay very long, but yeah. Winter has finally arrived. Spring will be here next Monday. It's about how long winter seems to last. Okay, I need my knee pads. I think they may be down here. Are they in there? They're in there. Oh, bring the wood too. Yeah, I guess I need that. Anyway, later. Okay, well, I am back here in the storage room, and we're trying to put that bracket up. That requires putting a 2x4 there and a 2x4 there. But the 2x4s, it's a weight painted item. And the reason, originally we were going to take this flange, stick it up there, and bolt it through, but trying to get the pipe material and everything all accurate enough to do that, you know, I don't have the equipment or the patience, or more the patience to do all that. So we're going to use the 2x4. It's going to be bolted through the steel, and then we're going to do 4 lag bolts into each one of these plates, 1/4 inch lag bolts, 1.5 inches. So there'll be a total of 16 screws, and see if that works, because otherwise we need to, well, and the lag bolts will mark where, if we have issue with it, then we'll look at through bolting it, but I don't think we'll have an issue. I mean, we're not going to be putting that much weight on it. And I can't imagine there being more than 100 pounds, if that, ever on it. I got to cut off actually about that much right there, so I'm going to cut that off and then put a new thread on it. Works very, very well. Inexpensive unit off Amazon. I don't know the brand. I'll have to track down the brand, but that just says portable bandsaw. Who makes it? I don't know. I'll have to look. Okay, over to the thread maker. That's the thread maker. That's the vise I got to put the pipe in, which I'm going to do now. Some of the things I've learned, you want this to be really tight. So I'm using my cheater bar here. Crank down on this guy. I guess what would be good, I should be wearing the camera. Okay, so that guy's mounted. And then you got the pipe clamp, and I basically line this up so that this end here matches the end of my pipe. Try to get this to be pretty much lined up with that. Tighten that down, tighten that down. And I'm just clamping my vise here. It's like a little bit easier and more dangerous. You should have it bolted down anyway. A little bit of cutting oil to start with. And we got this guy. Cutting oil on his teeth, so he's ready. Okie dokie, and you slide it on. Slide that piece on. Okay, and I don't have, I'm going to hit this clamp pretty quickly, so we need to readjust this guy. Got to have a little bit higher of an angle. Now that I have a higher angle, as you can see, I can get on that. And this is up. Now I have found, I mean, you can let it go ahead and rest up against that, but I go ahead and try to keep the pressure. I just hold this. It's not that difficult. At least I'm not finding it that difficult. You're supposed to use a block of wood so that you don't cut your hand up, but here. And once it catches, it'll pull itself on. A little more oil on. Okay, and if I'm not holding the camera, I would put the oil on continuously as I'm doing it. Oil on. Okay. And basically, when this gets even with that, you are done. And then you put this guy in reverse. it's gonna drip. Anyway, there's my nice little new thread. Okay, and then it's just the reverse. Take this guy off. Gotta use my cheater now. Okay, so now put these two pieces together. The bracket a few inches shorter, and let's see if we're close to where it needs to be now. And it's pretty close. I think that's going to be good. So anyway, so now I just need the beam in there, and I can start work on the next one. Okay, well, we'll try it this way. Good morning. Wow, it's mid-morning now for us. We slept in. It's almost 10 o'clock. Anyway, we are back up here at the boat. We are now working in the foyer, putting in, I don't know if you can see those number poles, but we're in the process of, we're going to put shelving in the equipment room here. So we already had that shelving there started that we need to finish. Got a couple more brackets to put in. And then here, this is going to have basically the same U, but it's going to go all the way down right here. And so we're going to have shelving going here. This is about to be an 18-foot wide area, and then we have about a 12-inch, 18-foot. Yeah, I wish I had 18 feet of shelving there. It's going to be 18 inches of shelving there all the way down, and then 10 inches or 12 inches here, and then going across here, there are going to be two shelves. They're going to go all the way across full length, and then the shelves that go in front of this are going to be screwed in on each side of the other, so there'll be three more that'll be right in front of that, so that if we need to access this, we just take off the stuff on those three shelves and then take the three shelves out, and then we can get access to the water tank. Anyway, that's what we're going to be working on today. First thing we're going to do is mark the boards that go up here. We're going to take that equipment and the threader up to the marinas workshop, and we'll do that cutting up there and make our 5-foot. That's the fun for the morning. Later. Okay, well, it is now lunchtime or after lunchtime, and we've done a bunch of work and totally forgot to film. It was all making the brackets, which are right out there. And Jeannie and I had lots of discussions on size and interference. Got our first support block going in, although I'm not sure how. I think I see a big problem. Well, I'm not sure where the flanges are gonna go. I mean, we got the bolts hanging down. So anyway, we gotta work that out. I need a flange to test later. Okay, price is inverted. Putting in the next one. Got this one in. Had to put a shim block because the floor's bowing down, and it made this pipe stick way out. I don't know why it didn't affect that one that much. I may have to do that on some of the other ones here. Can she pass through the death trap now?
Oh no, I can never come in.
Yeah, that's right. You can't come in now. Yeah. You squeeze in just fine.
All right, all your junk needs to go.
Right there, yeah. Well. Okay, well, I built the pipes. I'll let you build the shelves.
You did not do it alone.
No, I did not. I think we're going to create quite a bit of shelving at least. Basically, it's a 5-foot by 60-foot shelving unit, which is like, well, one of the ones up there.
Okay, can you get the vacuum out of here?
Yeah, if you hand it through that slot there. But yeah, may not be able to get the new tool chest in. It's 18 inches wide. Oh, well, you got that.
Oh, sure.
Got two 4-foot by 3-foot hatches.
I'll just push it over the edge.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, we just roll it down the steps. You barricade me in now. You see that? But that's one of the level markings. There's the other level marking. Of course, if you push it to the other one, it kind of shifts it a little bit. But today it is level. So, let me do some cleaning later.